Alright, now what if the base for this example number 3 is a triangle? As you can see, the base, this is the base is a triangle. So that means the lateral faces is only 3. Unlike in the square a while ago, it has 4. We multiply by 4. Now this time, if we solve for the area of the triangle, we will only multiply by 3 since the base is only a triangle. So always start with the base. Area of triangle. Again, the formula in getting the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So this is the base. The base, so B equals 5 times the height. The height is 4.3 divided by 2. Okay, just multiply it. 5 times 4.3, we will get 21.5 over 2. Then divide it. 21.5 over 2, you will get how many? 1, 0. So the area for the base, the triangular base, is 10.75 cm squared. Now let's solve for the faces, for the lateral face. I told you, for pyramid, you will only solve one face. Okay? Because it's the same with the other faces if it's a pyramid. So, area of triangle again. The base is also 5 times the height is 6. Divide by 2. 5 times 6, we got 30 over 2 would give us 15. But we're not yet done because we will multiply it by 3 since this pyramid has 3 faces. Okay, why 3 faces again? Because the base is a triangle and it has 3 sides. So 15 multiplied by 3 will get 45. Right? Then after that, 45 cm square, you add it with the base. So 10.75 plus 45 will give us 55.75 cm square. So that is for that given. Okay, so we already solved one with a square base and the other one with a triangular base. Let's have more example. Let's have question number 4 for the guided practice. We got pyramid shaped gift boxes have square base. See? Square base that measure 5 inches on each side and the slant height is 6.5 inches. How much cardboard is used to make each box? So let's first solve for the square base. So again, what's the formula? Length base times height. Okay, since it's a square, that means if each side is 5, we'll just multiply 5 by 5. So we will get 25. That's our base. Now let's solve for our, this is a square by the way, and let's solve for our triangle. Okay, of course, the side of the triangle will be 5 multiplied by the slant height. It's given here. The slant height is 6.5. And then, since it's a triangle, we will divide by 2. Okay, you multiply. Okay. 32.5. Yeah. Over 2. Understand? Okay, then we will divide it. 32.5 divided by 2. What's the answer? Can you solve it also? We'll get 16.25. Okay? Inches square. Also, the other one, put inches square. Now, we're not yet done because we will multiply this lateral faces by how many? by 4. Correct. Why 4? Because the base is a square and a square has 4 sides. So we will multiply 16.25 times 4. That would give us 65. Okay. Then the 65, we will also add it with the base. So we get 65 plus 25. The final answer will be 90 inches square. So this is our final answer. Alright, let's have more example. Okay, girls, I want you to answer number 1, 2, 3. I'll be doing 7 and you will do 8, okay? I'll give you one last example. Please take picture of your answer and send it to me personal message, okay? Let's start. As you can see, for this pyramid, the base is a triangle. I always tell you to start with the base. Okay? So, get the area of the base, area of triangle. Remember, it's a triangle, so just do base times height divided by 2. So, the base is 7 times the slant height is 6.1 divided by 2. 7 times 6.1 will get 42.7 divided by 2. 42.7 divided by 2, what's the answer? So we got 21.35. Okay. After that, that's for our base. So that's the answer. cm squared. This for only the base. Now let's get one slant height. The same formula we will use because it's also a triangle. So base times height again. Okay. Then divide by 2. 10 times 7 divided by 2 equals 10 times 7 is 70 divided by 2 will give us 35. Are we done? Not yet, because we will multiply it by 3 since the lateral faces are 3. Because the base is a triangle, that means it also have 3 lateral faces. So 35 multiplied by 3 will give us 105 cm squared. Then after that, we will add the base and the 3 lateral face. So I can put it here. 105 plus 21.35. By the way, we can add it vertically so that it will be easier for us to add. Okay, the decimal is here. That's why we put it like that way, right? Remember, the decimal should be aligned. We can put 0 here. 0 plus 5, we got 5. 0 plus 3, we got 3. Then put decimal. 5 plus 1, we got 6. 0 plus 2 is 2. Then bring down 1. The answer is 126.35 cm squared. Alright? Let's have the last example for the word problem. Those with circles, please do it and send it to me private. And I will check if your answer is correct. Okay? Let's have number 7. A tea bag is shaped like a square pyramid with the base measuring 4 centimeters on each side. The slant height is 4.5 centimeters. How much mesh is used to create the tea bag? As you can see, this is a square pyramid. That means it has how many sides? It has 4 sides. Of course, the slant height or the triangular faces are also 4. So first, let's solve for the square. Area of the square. Area of the square. Each side of the square is 4. So 4 by 4 will give us 16 cm squared. And now we'll get one triangle. Area of triangle is 4, which is the side, times the slant height, which is 4.5. Then divide by 2 because it's a triangle. 4 times 4.5, we will get 118. Yeah. 18.0, correct? And then over 2. Then 18.0 or 18 divided 2 will give us 9. Then we're not yet done because the answer we will multiply by 4 because the base is a square, so it has 4 sides. 9 times 4 will give us 36 cm squared. Then after that, add the base and the 4 lateral faces or the 4 triangular faces. So 36 plus 16 will give us 1252 cm squared. That means the answer is 52 cm squared. Okay, girls? So please send me your answer for those questions that I gave you. Also, your homework. Please do it. Check the weekly plan. Thank you.